Rilievo is a base coat able to create textured decorations, characterized by varying thicknesses, also high. It permits to obtain multiple decorative effects, to finish and decorate with decorative products of the range Dettagli d'arte. The product is ready to be used. Apply Rilievo by stainless steel trowel. Level the surface, creating a coat able to cover the wrinkles and make the support homogeneous, creating the design required. Once dried, smooth the surface, removing the ridges in excess by stainless steel trowel. Decorate the base coat Rilievo with CADORO shade 0641. Upon total drying, the characteristic natural stone effect will be highlighted.